Yeah, Robert, if anything, you might just want to let people know to let them fly.
I already did that
Okay.
twice, but then like
All right, so let me. I'll get the extinguisher and have that nearby. I'll grab one later.
all right.
You'll be fine.
No, I know. It's just always good to have it. And I can't stand here. I gotta be over here.
Did you see that L-39 crash?
Yes, because I watched it over and over, and then I finally saw that the turbine blew up, and then it went out.
So I watched the full flight. There's a full flight video.
I saw it too a while
It already
ago.
puffed.
Really?
In the mid-flight, it puffed.
I have a friend that was there when it happened. He sent it to me a while ago.
Wow. No, I'm fine. I don't want it.
You don't want? I don't like it.
Yeah, ready.
Looks like you pretty much don't have any wind.
Okay.
There's a little bit this way. I think you'll be okay. You ready?
Yeah. Looking good. Aim it out that way.
Yeah, there's more wind going this way now.
Look at the flag.
Yeah.
There's nothing going on really.
Hey, see ya. I feel it, but
This way.
there's really not much here.
Look at the flag. Although I do feel it down low, but up high
If it
it's
gets
not
too
really.
strong when it's time to land, I'll tell you, but I think you'll be okay. You all good? Now they're gonna balk at you, so take a couple steps back. I'll guide you. There you go. Come back a little more. They want you behind the line. There you go.
Remember, you don't have to keep it right here. You can go out that way a little bit if you like. And this plane will fly around nicely at half throttle.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's pretty much where he is right now. Looks like your nose gear might have hung out.
Yeah, I'll worry about it the last 1 minute.
Yep.
Speed is kind of
What is it?
like, it's like, I don't know where
Oh, you're not used to it because we're in a different area. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can't relate it to where you've been. If anything, it's like Robert's saying, go a little further out that way.
And also, when you go out further out, you won't have to look into the sun.
Right.
Because you are flying up there. You can keep it low, that lower if you like.
You're doing all right, though. There you go. There you go. See the difference?
Yeah.
A little better? All right, let me watch for you. Good, all three.
So
I'm not landing. I'm just.
Yeah, all three down.
Yeah, I got minutes.
Yeah. Good thing to check it now, though.
Fuel a little bit.
When you do come into land, go a lot further out into this field.
Yeah. I'll talk him through it. Make sure he does it.
And lower.
Yeah, because there's zero wind right now. All the wind stopped. Yeah, there's zero wind. It's actually feeling kind of hot. You want to go through an approach?
Yeah, let's
Just for the hell of it?
Practice approach.
Okay. You
Get
can
it
do
down a lot lower. Get it down a lot lower. Half of that distance down.
Yeah. Okay.
See,
So let's
I need to
just,
start.
yeah, so let's start it like,
go back around.
dude, just basically do like you're doing a gear check right now. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, a gear check, so now let's start doing your, yeah, and start getting that throttle set the way you want it. And then we're not going to turn yet.
You could actually
Start turning right
quarter
now.
throttle now.
Yeah, start turning. There you go. Perfect.
And get it lower, 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 lower.
We're just practicing right
Right,
now,
there
aren't
we
we?
go.
There we go.
Yeah. So that would be perfect. Quarter throttle approach. All right.
Good, Robert?
Yeah,
I mean,
that'd
good?
be good.
There you go. You're good now. There you go. Way better. Brakes. Woohoo! There you go. Good job.
My friend Steve, he was flying a Turbine F-16,
Mm-hmm.
like mine, and Jim Thompson put his brake on the slider on the
Oh,
F-18. He thought it was on the switch,
Oh, no.
and he landed, and he's like hitting the switch, and he's like all the way down at another zip code. I'm like, man,
That wasn't so bad, was it?
that was a lot better.
That was good.
Let's bring it in here.
So you got it?
Perfect. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, hey.
It's stuck to the runway.
Yeah.
Let's get it in off of the.
Come on.
Get it in
Yeah,
over
let's put the brakes.
Let's pull it through.
No, God, why is the brakes on? Something.
Your brakes aren't here.
Is that
Are these your brakes?
my
Just wait.
rollers?
Hold on.
Oh, you got them on roller.
The brakes worked.
Yeah, they did. Good.
Just like Ray says, when you're go a little bit further out, half of the distance.
This is a big runway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're not used to a little, you're used to a little carrier runway.
Robert,
That was good.
so in this, you can see this.